Hey guys, so I just want to show you how I made my measles dress. And I don't know, I'm just so happy to share it with you because this is actually my very first successful creation. It's the first one that I made. I actually did do it right. And then when I was doing her dress, my dog has been wanting my attention. So I gave him the attention that he wanted before I finished the dress there. Alright, and by the way, just to let you know, I wasn't able to meet my niece ever since she was born because of this pandemic. So I'm really looking forward to meet her as soon as possible. So I decided to have a measurement for a 5-month-old baby just in case, so that she can still wear it. I know that I'm not yet used to the new normal, but I gotta embrace it. And since there's nothing that I can do in this pandemic and in this trying time, so I decided to look at the brighter side and then pursue what I want to do, pursue my passion, and do the things that would really make me happy. So I decided to use the mini sewing machine that my fiance bought for me, and I'm gonna show you the result. And here it is. Yay! I was able to successfully finish it. I know it's not that perfect, but I made it with love for my lovely niece. There you are. So I'm so excited for my niece to wear this, and I hope to see her soon. And yeah, see the results.